So at UXSA Africa, we're kicking off a series of workshops, and the series of workshops has the intention to kind of bring pieces of whatever it is in relation to user experience or human computer interaction or service design, all the different facets in our industry in bite-sized pieces that can be easily consumed to the community and those attending. The intention is to see how we can offer this not only in Cape Town but Johannesburg, maybe even Durban, see where it expands to, how it can expand, how it can grow, because the more we engage with community, the more we get facilitators to work with us, the more we get attendees to attend these workshops, the larger the reach will become, the more successful it can be. And success, the idea of it being successful, the measurement of the success would be people taking what they've learned from these workshops and applying it to their everyday life, whether that is them working on a passion project, freelancing, working for a small, medium or corporate. So we really want to work closer with the community, and this today is the kickoff of that series of workshops.
I'm Kato, and I am a product design intern at Make Rain. So I'm a newbie in the game, so these types of events are like perfect for me to learn and, you know, expand my career and meet new people. And what better place to learn than from the experts themselves. Not necessarily, but you know, as a newbie in the game, not knowing anything, my mentor advised me to like attend these workshops in general. That's how I started in the UX field in general, and I think like these events are perfect because you get to learn from the industry experts themselves, and you get to network as well, you know, meet new people, and yeah, just been happy doing that. Yeah.
Meeting the 10-year mark, we've been working with and together with the community for 10 years, and now we want to level up. We want to grow with the community, and we've always wanted to, but let's see what the next 20-30 years brings in relation to better community and greater community engagement, along with this UX brand that exists in South Africa. So lots more to come. Look forward to more engaging, exciting, knowledgeful talks, workshops, community events, as well as lots more social posts. So definitely, I guess this is where I do the thing of saying follow us, view us, check us out on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, to X, all of them, I guess, and get involved. More than anything, don't only view and look and view the content. Drop a comment. Hit us up at info@uxsouthafrica.com, and then let us know how you want to get involved. Yeah, thank you.